Hello makers, welcome to the AGF Quilt Block Collection. My name is Melanie and I love creating and sharing fun step-by-step quilt block videos with you. In today's video, we'll be making the Chain 9 patch block featuring Maureen Cracknell's new collection called Flower Child. My favorite print is called the Sisterhood print, which showcases beautiful hand-drawn portraits of women wearing beautiful flower crowns. So what's your favorite print? Take a look at the link in the description box below to view the full collection. Here is a better look at my favorite print. So many fussy cutting possibilities. See you at the end of the video for a sneak peek of my next tutorial. If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials. Check out the description box below to find all the cutting directions and step-by-step instructions. To create the center of your block, create a 4-patch block with two 4.5-inch squares from fabric A and B. This section of the block is perfect for fussy cutting out designs from your fabric. Once the center of your block is complete, it's time to create your corner square strip units. On the wrong side of 8 of your 2.5-inch squares from fabric C, draw a diagonal line using a straight edge and a fabric marking pen. Place your squares right sides together to the corners of your 2.5 by 4.5-inch strips from fabric D. Making sure half of your diagonal lines are facing to the right and the rest of your diagonal lines are facing to the left. Pin your pieces together and sew directly on the line you drew. Trim all of your seam allowances to 1/4 inch and press half of your seams to the right and the other half to the left. To create your triangle strips, sew 2 corner square strips together, making sure seams are pressed in alternating directions. Sew 2 of your triangle strips with the points of the triangles facing out to the sides of your 4-patch block. Now it's time to create the top and bottom row of your block. Sew your remaining 2.5-inch squares from fabric B and C to the ends of your rows like this. Attach your top and bottom rows to the center of your block. To show off your new quilt block creation, made with AGF fabrics, make sure to share on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Awesome job! We did it! Your Chain 9 patch block is complete. I enjoyed making this block so much, I plan on making a throw size version just using this block design. I think it would make a perfect addition to my best friend's nursery. So now let's take a peek at the fabrics I'll be sewing with next. Thanks for watching. For more fun sewing videos, subscribe to the AGF channel. Leave us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to share this video with all of your quilty friends. Until next time, happy sewing!